How's it going, guys? So today we got another project. We're putting wheel spacers on the G8. If you look down the side of the car, you can see that the wheels, they don't sit flush with the fender, and we just don't like that. So we got some wheel spacers over here. These will bolt right onto the hub, and they got their own studs. So we'll put these on the hub, and then the wheel will bolt onto this. They're about 20 millimeters, and should look fine when we're done. So go ahead and jack the car up, and then put it on jack stands, and we'll proceed with putting these on. All right, we got the car jacked up. We got jack stands under it. So now we can take the wheels off. Use my Harbor Freight impact wrench. They claim 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty good. But got my wheel key. All right, so we'll just take the wheels off. All right, put that wheel. Here's the wheel spacer. According to what I'm paying for, it should fit right on. Like a glove. A little too much like a glove. So these fit a little too well. When in doubt, hammer out.
Go.
Alright, so the fit's on there pretty good. You might just tap it on there a little bit with a hammer. It's no big deal. But you want them to sit like that on the hub so they're not, so it's centered. These aren't huge wheel spacers, so you shouldn't really poke much. So now we'll take the wheel. The wheel will just slide right on. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, something I forgot about. Put these on. This is what's going to hold the spacer onto the hub. And we'll use the nuts that came with the spacer to hold these on. So we're using the nuts that came with the spacer on the factory studs. And then you just use your lug nuts to put the wheel on the spacer. Okay, put these on. Oh boy. Alright, so the issue, the socket's too thick for the hole, so we're gonna grab a different tool here. We'll have a pipe. Alright guys, the wheel spacers are on the G8. That's like perfect. Could have probably done like a 25 millimeter, but I think this will be just fine. They sit pretty good there. Now, I had an issue with the spacers yesterday when I was doing this. So, the factory studs, were actually hitting the back of the wheel, which means I couldn't put the wheel on all the way. So what I had to do is I cut the little nubs off of each stud with the grinder with a cutoff wheel, and then I was able to put the wheel on all the way. But that was just annoying because I had to do that for every wheel. So, but otherwise, they fit pretty good. Won't be able to test drive it until the snow melts. Just leaving my driveway, the frickin' car was sliding down the snow, just hitting the brakes. I didn't know if it was gonna stop. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. Up in the garage here. So yeah, those are, I'm pretty happy with that. It's gonna go down a little bit after I can drive it, get the suspension moving. Because there's some definite wheel gap. But yeah. Can't wait to get to the Nate's shop and get the cam and nitrous put in. But thanks for checking it out, guys. See you in the next video.